Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the future of air combat with the F-47 fighter jet, a sixth-generation beast that's set to redefine what it means to rule the skies. This isn't just another plane, it's a game-changer being built by Boeing, one of the biggest names in aerospace. So, what makes the F-47 so special? Let's break it down. Its features, its capabilities, and the company bringing it to life. Stick around, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you're ready to soar into this one. First off, let's talk about what the F-47 actually is. Officially announced on March 21st, 2025, yep, that's today as I'm recording this, the F-47 is the centerpiece of the U.S. Air Force's Next Generation Air Dominance Program, or NGAD for short. This isn't a replacement for just one jet, it's stepping up to take over from the legendary F-22 Raptor, bringing next-level tech to the battlefield. And here's the kicker: Boeing beat out some heavy competition to snag this contract, which is reportedly worth over $20 billion just to start, with hundreds of billions more down the line. So, who's behind this high-flying marvel? That would be Boeing, specifically their Phantom Works division, the Skunk Works-style team, known for pushing the boundaries of aerospace tech. Boeing's no stranger to fighter jets. They've built icons like the F-15 Eagle and F/A-18 Super Hornet. But the F-47, this is their shot at cementing a legacy in the sixth-generation era. After some tough years with commercial setbacks and defense program losses, this win is a massive boost for Boeing's military aviation business, especially at their St. Louis hub, where the F-47 will likely roll off the line. Now let's get to the good stuff. What can the F-47 do? While a lot of the details are still classified, here's what we know so far based on official statements and some educated guesses. First up, stealth. This jet is designed to be virtually unseeable, thanks to state-of-the-art stealth tech. Think radar-absorbing materials, sleek lines, and maybe even some tricks to hide its heat signature. It's built to slip past enemy defenses like a ghost in the sky. Speed? Oh, it's got that covered too. Word is the F-47 can hit Mach 2 or higher. That's over 1,500 miles per hour. That kind of velocity comes from next-gen engines, possibly from GE or Pratt & Whitney's adaptive propulsion program, giving it the thrust to outrun almost anything out there. And maneuverability? They're saying it's unlike anything we've seen, even with all that power. Picture this jet twisting and turning in a dogfight, leaving opponents in the dust. But here's where it gets really wild. The F-47 isn't flying solo. It's the heart of a family of systems, paired with unmanned drones called Collaborative Combat Aircraft, or CCAs. These loyal wingmen can scout ahead, jam enemy radar, or even take shots of their own, all while the F-47 pilot calls the plays. It's like having a squad of robotic sidekicks, and it's a huge leap in how air combat works. And the tech doesn't stop there. The F-47 is loaded with advanced sensors and networking gear. We're talking cutting-edge radar, maybe even synthetic aperture stuff, plus data fusion that ties everything together into one crystal-clear picture of the battlefield. It's not just a fighter, it's a flying command center, sharing intel with other planes, ships, and troops in real time. Oh, and range? It's built for the vast Indo-Pacific theater, so expect it to cover serious distance without breaking a sweat. Here's the crazy part. This isn't just a concept. Experimental versions of those mysterious X-planes have been flying in secret for at least 5 years. That's hundreds of hours testing the tech that'll make the F-47 a reality. The Air Force says it'll take flight by early 2029 with full deployment by the end of the decade. That's lightning fast for a project this big, and it shows how mature the design already is. So what's the big picture? The F-47 is about keeping the US ahead of rivals like China, who've been flexing their own advanced fighters. It's a generational leap, as Air Force Chief General David Allvin put it: more stealth, more power, and more adaptability than anything before it. And for Boeing, it's a chance to reclaim their spot at the top of the fighter jet game. That's the F-47 in a nutshell, a sixth-generation titan from Boeing that's ready to dominate the skies. What do you think? Will this jet live up to the hype? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let me know what else you want to see us cover. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. Until then, keep your eyes on the skies.